Hey folks, today I want to do a little review on the Stanley Fat Max 30-foot rule that I got, this tape measure, and wanted to compare it to the 35-foot Stanley Fat Max tape that I've been using for a few years, and I wanted to show you a few improvements that they made. So even though this tape is 5 foot shorter than the model I was using, they have made several improvements to it. So let me grab that other one and I'll show you a few things that they've done. Here's the other one that I was using. So yeah, you do get 5 more feet with this one, but let me show you a few things here. So first, you'll notice that this locking button on the new one is all metal, whereas on the old one it was plastic. May not be a big deal, but this one feels much better. Also, it gives you this red indicator on it that shows you that it's in the locked position. This one doesn't have any indicator that shows you that. Also, another nice feature, at least for my older eyes, are the numerals on this new one. Much larger, as you can see. Let me pull this one up, and this one you can see quite a bit larger. And this tab down here on the new one, these rivets, let me try to get this up a little bit closer if you can see this or not. Quite a bit larger on the new one. They've gone in and made these rivets a lot heavier. Sorry, the lighting's not the best, but you can see that these look like they'll last longer. The other thing I noticed was just the protection on this new one seems to be a lot heavier. The grooving looks to be better, and on this one, the new one gives you this nice place to put a lanyard through it if you need that. The old one doesn't have any place to do that. And even on the front of this one, I'm assuming this is what this is, this lanyard hole in the front. I think that's what that's for. The old one doesn't have anything. So the old one's working okay, but this new one I think is going to be quite a bit better. I'm not really going to miss the 5 foot. I never really had it out that far anyway. So anyway, that's just a quick review. Thanks for watching.